Oh yes, I like my watch, but my strap is broken, so I've got to fix it, and I'll show you how. This Casio 110 has a special strap, and I'll show you what to do about it. You can see now it just didn't fall off my wrist, but it could happen anytime. You need to grab a few pins or needles, sharp and strong. Push the pin point between the push pin and the metal plating and let it stick there. So now it's possible to lift the metal plate, so do it twice on the same side, and afterwards you can lift the plate off. So now it's easy to remove the push pins and remove the strap from the watch. So it's rather obvious that the strap has broken. You can even see through the holes. In advance, I ordered a new set of straps for my watch. Now combine the watch and the strap and push the position. Sometimes it's a little hard to push it any further, so use something hard to push it in. When number 1 is in place, then place the second one in the right position. When the pins are both in place, then grab the metal plate and put it in position on the strap. Here you can see how you secure it in this way. You turn it over and then press the other side of the plate against the pins. Keep it steady in this way. Take a pricker and try to move the push pin under the steel plate so it fits again in the little hole. If one pin is done, continue with the other, and then you're ready.